This is my makeup kit. Yes. So my makeup essentials are in here. I'm going to show you what is inside and how much they cost entirely. And if you're a beginner, you want to start your makeup, you can actually get this, every single thing that's inside here, but you just have to get on your exact shade. Starting with the most important thing, that's micellar water and your cutting rounds. I also have wipes when I don't want to do that much of a cleansing. I'll do wipes, and if I want to go too deep, I'll combine all of them. I would wipe my face, like I will wipe every single dirt on my face. These are the products I use for my skin prep. This is a primer I use, this is a sweat block I use, and this is the moisturizer I use from Mont Essence foundation. You see, this is the JD's foundation. I use this like every single time. This is the foundation I use. It is something I love so much. Next stage are my brushes. I don't know the name of the brand. Yeah, you can see from the name of the brand. I got them because they are affordable, so you can see. Yeah, they are much and they are affordable, so I got them, but they're not durable. I also got another makeup brush all the way from China by myself. I imported it by myself. And if you guys want me to show you how to import your products from China, drop it in the comment section, because I imported this by myself all the way from China. Just tried one of them, which is the spoolie. Yeah, it comes like this, and I love them so much. Like, I'm not using them now because I probably don't need them. Yeah, this brand is a game changer. I bought these with my makeup artist, with my mentor, my makeup artist. Like, you can see the palette, you can see the shades. It's in the name Bacham Ageless. Yes, it's so good. This palette is so good. For my liquid blush, I use this lipstick palette. Absolutely gorgeous. For my concealer, I use Spotless in the shade 110. Next, we are having this eyeshadow palette from the Huda Beauty nude eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty. I feel like I need another eyeshadow palette because if I want to create something crazy, I need another one. My powdered blush, I feel like every single person knows this brand and every single person is using it like across the world. Lashes and the glue. The next, we're having our edge control, our almighty edge control. The fact that I use this almost every single time, whether I'm applying makeup or not. This is also a game changer. I feel like every girl needs this. Even if you're not a makeup girl, you need this. I use this JV's brown pencil. Yes, I use that a lot. And sometimes if I want it to be dark, I pair these two together and apply it on top. If you don't understand what I'm saying, I'm gonna drop it in the comments. I'm not that person that knows how to line out that sharp, but you see, with this tip, you'll be able to know how to line your liner like perfect for a beginner. This is also for my eyeshadow base. Is it eyeshadow primer? We call it eyeshadow primer. Two pops. This one for here, and this one for your foundation. A girl actually bites this one. I also have another one which, when you want to create this that line here, you use it, but I don't know, it's not here. This product is a game changer. I bought this later, but trust me, this glaze, oh my god, absolutely gorgeous. Sometimes I'll just feel like I should just apply this glaze all over my face because I just want to be shiny like a bright star. This fixing spray, I feel like everybody owns it. I'm looking forward to try other sprays, but for now we're using this Kids Beauty Makeup Fix Spray. And the last thing but not the least is my beautiful mirror. You see this mirror? It used to be two sides, but this girl broke one side. She broke one side, and you know what? I just have to use it. And look at how it is becoming dirty because of makeup products. Yeah, so divas, that is all our makeup products, and this product cost almost 150,000 naira. So me and the person that teach me how to do makeup got some I just have to go to the store and buy it myself because I actually need them. And yeah, that's it. So you guys should not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel because trust me, it is definitely going to help you guys a lot. Bye guys.